Hello, my crafty friends. I hope you're having a fabulous day. Welcome to day 10 of the 12 Days of Christmas series. This is hosted by Rosa Kelly and her crafty friends, Michelle Randolph from Shabby Chic Chick, Debbie Adams from Creative Life, and yours truly, Robyn Pitts with Sir Chauncey Rocco Creative Designs. For my project today, I have created this elegant Christmas vintage mailbox using a digital file by MYSCRAPCHICK. This was designed by Tracy Rushton from Paper Closet Designs. The paper collection that I used is the North Pole Gazette. This is a Michael's Hot Buy. I had so much fun decorating this mailbox. This measures 8 inches from the top to the bottom. It's 6 inches wide and the depth is 2.5 inches. On the top I have Santa and his reindeer. I cut him out from a file in Cricut Design Space. I've used this red and white glitter striped paper and I've embellished the top with these beautiful floral sprays. On the top of the lid I have this velvet bow with a rhinestone pearl, and this lid opens up just like so, and there's ample space to include letters. On the center of the mailbox, I have this print and cut piece. This I purchased from the Silhouette Design Store, and I think it's so much fun. It says North Pole Post Office Santa Express Service Overnight Delivery. Now this file does include a print and cut, however I chose to use this one instead, and I've embellished this with these red glittered pearls on the top and bottom. On the left we have these mini poinsettias as well as a larger spray in the lower right hand corner. I love the contrast between the red and white glitter stripe and the printed background. Let me give you a closer look. Here you can see Santa and the reindeers. I cut this out several times on a heavyweight cardstock so that it's nice and thick. I love this red striped glittered paper, and I've adorned the top with this rhinestone trim. Here is a closer look at this beautiful floral spray. I have a mixture of these red as well as glitter poinsettias as well as white roses that are hidden in throughout. And on the bottom I've included another floral spray. We have this craft envelope here, and I love this sentiment. And this is a side. This measures 2.5 inches. And the back. This is a really fun but easy project to create, and you can make it as simple or elegant as you like. This makes a lovely home decor piece. You can display it on your fireplace mantle or a coffee table. It's also a nice gift box. It has ample room inside to include a nice sized gift, or you can use it in a Happy Mail project. Now that I've given you an overview of this project, I'm going to gather my materials so that we can make this together. I'll be right back. I've gathered the materials to make our vintage Christmas mailbox. The paper collection that I'm using is the North Pole Gazette. This is an oldie but goodie that I purchased from Michael's. I'm using a digital file for MYSCRAPCHICK. These are the pieces. I've uploaded them into Cricut Design Space and cut them out on my Cricut Maker. You will have these side pieces, and to save time I've glued on the matting layers. There are 2 matting layers. I have a cream matting layer here and then this glittered striped paper. You will have the back and the top of the mailbox. This is the decorative back of the mailbox, and then you have the front of the mailbox. I have already gone ahead and folded along the score line. Now the first thing that we're going to do is attach the sides of the mailbox. So this is the lid. I'm going to take this piece and then we're going to glue these tabs just like so to the mailbox, and you want to glue it right up to the score line. Okay, so go ahead and glue those side panels in, and then we will work on the next portion. Now that we have the side panels on, let's flip this over, and I'm going to turn this to the side. And we're going to gather the front part, which has these 2 flaps here, and the bottom. I'm going to put this right next to it, and we're going to glue this panel to the base of this piece right here. So you want to glue this piece right up to the score line and then attach it. And this should be able to move freely up and down, and these flaps should be able to move freely as well. So let's go ahead and glue that piece down now. Now that we have the front panel on, I want to turn this over. I'm going to glue the decorative back of the mailbox right up to this score line here. The reason I'm gluing this down now is because it's easier to glue and attach once it's flat. Go ahead and glue this piece down. You want to make sure you don't glue over the score lines. I have the back now glued on. Let's turn this over. And we're going to hold this flap down, and we're going to glue this decorative piece onto the top, just like so. Now that we have this piece glued on, let's turn this around, and we're going to fold up the bottom piece. We're going to glue these tabs to the side panels. So you're going to create a little box just like so. So glue these side panels on. You want to glue it on this side and this side. Once you do that, you're going to glue these longer panels to the side just like so. Now that we have the box assembled, we want to attach the lid. So you're going to take these little tiny pieces here and glue that to the front on both sides. The mailbox is complete. All we need to do now is decorate it. In your file, you receive a number of embellishments, a print and cut that says Letters to Santa, North Pole, and other decorative elements. I'm going to decorate this, and then I'll be back with the final reveal. This is my completed vintage mailbox, and I love the way it turned out. I had so much fun embellishing it. On the top, I have added this Santa with his reindeer. This is an image from Cricut Design Space. I've outlined the box with this rhinestone trim. We've got this beautiful floral spray. And in the center it says North Pole Post Office, Santa Express, overnight delivery. This concludes my review of my Christmas vintage mailbox. Hopefully I've inspired you with some new and creative ideas. If you like this video, please take a moment to give me a thumbs up, leave a comment, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Please join me tomorrow for day 11 of the 12 Days of Christmas series. Thanks so much for joining me, and I look forward to seeing you soon. Bye for now. Happy crafting and happy holidays.